All right, guys, let's look at two different ways of solving 26 times 37. So we're gonna start with this area model, and then we'll see how that applies to the standard algorithm. So with the area model, anytime we're multiplying two numbers, we're really just finding the area of that rectangle. So if I have a rectangle 26 by 37, I can find that area inside. But we can actually break this up a little farther. 26 we can think of as 20 and 6, right? And that 37 we can think of as 30 and 7. Now we've got four smaller pieces inside here, and I can easily find these and then add those up. So let's start here. 20 times 30. Well, what's 2 times 3? That's 6. And I have to place 2 zeros. So 20 times 30 is 600. Now 30 times 6. Well, what's 3 times 6? 180. And place your 0. Down here, 20 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14. Place your 0. And 7 times 6, that is 42. So I have four partial products, four parts, product meaning multiplying. So we're going to add these up. So we got 600, 180, 140, and 42. So we're simply going to add these up. We get a 2 here. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 8 is 16. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. So we get 962. All right. So let's see how we would do the standard algorithm. And when I teach this, we learned this in 5th grade after Christmas, by the way. I just remind students, first we're going to multiply, place a 0, multiply again, and then add your two partial products. So let's start with some multiplication. 7 times 6, that's 42. I have to carry my tens digit over. 7 times 2 is 14. 15, 16, 17, 18. So 7 times 26 is 182. So we're done with my first round of multiplication with this 7, whatever digit's in that ones place. Now we're going to hop over. Before we do that, we have to place our 0. So we're going to place our 0. And then, now we're going to hop over to our second multiplication round with the 3, whatever's in this 10 spot, right? We're going to go 3 times 6, 3 times 2. So 3 times 6, that is 18. And then 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. All right, we're done with multiplying round 2. And finally, we just need to add these up. So we're going to add these up. Get a 2. 8 plus 8 is 16. 7, 8, 9. And we're done. So both times we got 962. But sometimes we might wonder, why do we start this way when we're teaching multiplication? Why not jump to the standard algorithm? Well, a couple things. We want students to see what we're actually doing. Because when I multiply 3 times 2, I'm not really doing 3 times 2, I'm really doing 30 times 20. And by breaking it up into those parts, we can clearly see that. And also, this actually leads right to this model. In fact, we can add up a couple of these to get these partial products. You know, down here, if we have 140 plus 42, what's that? Oh, that's 182. That's where that comes from. How about here? 600 plus 180. Oh, that's 780, which is right there. So by doing it this way first, we can see what we're doing. And then once students understand the process, we can show them the standard algorithm and rock on with that.